India channel to all our higher authorities and government of India that one of our teacher, our beloved teacher, has been brutally assaulted, which was not good. We, being a doctor, are serving the people in their good favor. But if this kinds of incident happens to our doctor families, our teachers, it hurts a lot. So we kindly request the government to not happen such kind of incidents in near future, because whatever we are doing is for the community. We have recently been recovered from COVID, but in such circumstances also we are serving humanity. We are going for health camps in the villages, in the areas, remote areas with the doctors teams. But if suddenly we hear such kind of informations that our teachers are being are beaten brutally, then it hurts a lot. It don't feel like serving people at this situations, but we are still serving. But if these things continues to happen to our doctors or family members, we will protest, because this is not acceptable at any level, to a junior doctor or to a senior doctor. So kindly I request the government to take a sincere action so that these things never happen in future. मैं दरख्वास्त करता हूँ सरकार से कि कुछ करे ताकि ये ऐसे हादसे दोबारा ना हो. और ऐसा नहीं है कि ये पहली बार हुआ है, ये पहले भी हो चुके हैं. But governments are not taking a strict actions to these circumstances. So I request them to do a needful action against those. That I currently have no idea, and but still I request the government to take an action to those people who have done these things. This is sincerely not acceptable. In the past also it has been done to many doctors all over India. Currently also is going on. This is absolutely not acceptable. When our teachers are being beaten up, then how we students will survive? We also will be scared to go outside here and there. Being a doctor of this country with a population of 140 million, how can we survive? We can go safely outside if someone is beaten just for sake of money.